Today we are looking at the Dell Pro Thunderbolt 4 Smart Dock. We'll go through unboxing available ports and connecting to a Windows laptop. In the box you will find the dock itself and the power adapter and power cord. On the front of the dock you've got a USB Type-A and USB-C port. On the top of the dock there is a power button to wake from sleep mode. On the back there is an HDMI port, 2 display ports, 3 USB Type-A ports, a USB-C multifunction display port, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, RJ45 Ethernet port, and finally the connection for the power adapter. Today I'm connecting my monitor with a DisplayPort cable, USB connecting the monitor's USB connections, my mouse and keyboard, Ethernet cable, and finally the power cable. And don't worry, I promise we'll sort out cable management later. This is a Dell Latitude laptop with Windows 11 connecting to the USB-C port. Right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Verify the orientation is where you want it. This looks good to me, so we're all set. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you have any questions and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.